Hey, are you interested in learning 5 ways to make $5,000 per month on Instagram? Beautiful day out, by the way. Check it out. Ooh. If you are, stay tuned, watch this video, roll that intro. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Vos Talks, where I, Austin Vasilios, talk about entrepreneurship, making money online, motivation, you know, everything that I do. If you don't know anything about me, go follow me on Instagram right here. That's where I pretty much built my fan base from the beginning. I'm just now starting to come over to YouTube. So if you like this video, it would really help me out if you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so that way you'll be notified every time I release a new video. So with that being said, let's get in this video. How can you start making $5,000 per month using Instagram? Here's 5 ways right here. Number 1, you could do affiliate marketing. So basically you'll partner up with a brand or a person, or say Amazon. Amazon has a great affiliate program where you could pretty much be an affiliate and get a commission per sale for any item on their whole website. So if you go to Amazon and you find anything, you can become an affiliate for that product. All you would have to do is get your link and sign up via Amazon Associates. And I believe Amazon's commission rate is about 6%, which is definitely on the lower side. But if you get 1,000 people to buy something that's worth $100 and you get 6% of that, so that's $6 times 1,000, that's $6,000 right there. Number 2, there's paid sponsorships. So this is usually once you have a bigger following, around like 100,000, maybe 75,000 followers, and brands will pay you, depending on your niche, they will pay you to, if you run a travel page, they'll pay you to go visit hotels, they'll pay you to go visit resorts like this, and while you're on vacation, they'll comp everything for you. They'll pay for, like they paid for my golf yesterday. I played some golf. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys saw my stories with that. That was pretty funny. But not only did they pay for everything here and pay for my flight to get here, my food, everything, they also paid me. It's definitely a great feeling to get paid to go on vacation, you know? That's why I love doing this. So that's number 2, paid sponsorships. And number 3, you can teach people something. So one way that I know people do this is they go and they create courses teaching random things that they know. So a girl that I know, she plays the ukulele. So she went on a website called Udemy. It's a website that has a bunch of different courses for you to learn pretty much anything. And she went on Udemy and she created a course. It's a video course where she recorded videos just like this one, and she taught people exactly how to play the ukulele. It was like a very beginner type thing, but she charged $20 for the course. It was one-time fee, $20, and she used certain strategies that I taught her to drive traffic to her page and her course so that way she could monetize her social media following. So imagine if you could get 100 people to pay you $20. That's $2,000 right there. And if you got 100 people every month to do that, that's $2,000 every month. And that's only one course. So if you're able to create a course on the ukulele, a course on the guitar, a course on playing the drums, a course on this, you can make a course about anything. A course on how to bait your hook in fishing and how to bowl and stuff like that. You can make a course on anything, make it $20, and I guarantee you'll be able to sell it if you know how to sell things and present them correctly. So that's number 3, teach people something that you know, that you're an expert of. Number 4, you can create a Shopify or Amazon store and sell products through that store. So what I did once when I was still in college, I actually sold baby clothes, believe it or not. I had a little sister, she was just born, so I decided, I saw how many clothes my mom was buying actually. That's what happened. So my mom, she was buying like an obscene amount of baby clothes, like spending like thousands of dollars herself on baby clothes. So I figured, damn, I'm about to target some moms. I'm really good with Facebook and YouTube ads. I'm about to target moms and sell them baby clothes. So that's exactly what I did. And you could do the same thing using Shopify or Amazon. And I have videos on my profile explaining exactly how I sell on Shopify and Amazon. And if they aren't posted yet, I created them already. they're coming. I release one like topic at a time. So I have Amazon, and then I have social media, Instagram, and then I have Shopify, Forex, crypto. I have all these different ways of making money and growing online, but I just release them one at a time, so that way you guys don't get overwhelmed. So if I haven't released the Shopify and Amazon videos yet, they're coming, don't worry. And number 5, the last way that you can make money using Instagram, but definitely not the only other way. There's thousands of ways you can make money on Instagram. But the 5th way that I know to use to make money using Instagram is email marketing. So if I were trying to sell my free or my $20 ukulele course on Udemy, I would create an email list, and then I would market that course to that email list very strategically. I wouldn't just spam them and send them BS emails like that just say, hey, buy this, buy this, buy this. I would obviously provide value. So email marketing is definitely one of my favorite ways to make money online. And the way that you get their emails on Instagram, so you'll make a post, and then whatever your post is about, so if my post is about ukuleles, it'll be, hey, check out this, go check out the link in my bio for this free ukulele tip. And then they go, and obviously you want to make it something that people would actually want. So I don't really know much about ukuleles, so I can't think of something off the top of my head. But you would want to say, I have this thing about the ukulele that only I know that I can really share with you for free right now. So here, just go to the link in my bio and it'll be right there for you for free. And that is a great way to get people's emails. And once you have their email, it's completely legal. Some people are worried about, oh, I don't know if it's legal. Is that spamming? No. They give you permission and they put their email into your website, you're 100% able to send them emails whenever you want until they unsubscribe. So if they unsubscribe, it'll just be taken right out of your email software, so you won't even be able to email them anymore. And honestly, you wouldn't want to email them anymore because they wouldn't be your ideal customer if they unsubscribed. You want people who want to be subscribed to your email list. Those are going to be the most engaged people. So with that being said, that's 5 ways of making $5,000 per month using Instagram. I really hope this video helped you guys out, and if it did, make sure you smash that like button. And if you gained anything, if you learned anything from this video, I would really love it if you either shared this or told a friend about this, and tried to make this into like a team thing. Try and make money with a friend and see how it goes. So if you want to see future videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that way you're notified every time that I release a new video. Every video we're going to be doing a contest or a giveaway where we give away a $2,000 Instagram growth course where we teach you all the secrets that aren't on YouTube and aren't being talked about normally. And we're gonna be giving that away for free to one of the random commenters on this video. So how to enter into that giveaway is you have to follow me on Instagram right here at Vasilios, and then also leave a comment explaining what kind of niche you're going to be in on Instagram, or what you plan to make your page about on Instagram, and what kind of goals you have with Instagram. Do you wanna make $10,000 per month? Do you wanna make $5,000 per month? Do you wanna help 10,000 people? There's different types of goals, so let me know what kind of goals you guys have. Again, I hope this video helped you guys out. With all that being said, have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.